Okay, now we're gonna cut a pocket. And this part's really, really basic for the most part. Just kind of rectangle. All right, and then if you want to, you can add a little bit of stitching if you want. Okay, that didn't turn out so straight. So you know what, we'll flip it over, do the stitching on the other side. Start at the middle, go out, start at the middle, out. There we go. And then this will actually be on the corner right here. Let's see, we'll move that down a little bit. That's more where a pocket would be. And just smooth that down into place. And then I'm going to use, just to help it stay, a tiny bit of water. Same down here, just a tiny bit. There we go. Then you can add something like a pocket square.